We as humans, at some point or another, wonder if and why some people just don't like us. Is it the way you look? Maybe you stink, or are you just plain boring? If you think that attraction boils down to style, genetics and looks, you're sadly confused. Your personality is just as important, if not more, than how you look physically. Of course, maybe you do need to practice better hygiene, but you might also need to practice good social skills. No matter what society might lead you to believe, personal development does not stop at the age of 25. No matter how old you are, there always is, and will be room for improvement in your life. Personal development will help you lead a more fulfilling, happier life, and it will make your presence more alluring to others, in your personal and your professional life. So with that said, here are some simple tips on how to increase your attractiveness through self-improvement. Number 1. Keep a positive attitude. Appreciation is known to improve the overall welfare of individuals, and it can also help you reinforce confidence when you're with others. If you can find happiness in the finer details of life, you'll become an asset rather than a burden. Negativity only works to bring you down. Complaining is repulsive, and pessimism will also drive others away. If you always complain, and never do anything about it, you'll appear weak and vulnerable. A positive and a hopeful attitude are attractive traits that you can bring into your life with a little bit of awareness. Number 2. Practice being conversational. Although you might be an introvert, it is the only way you'll make new friends, or grow closer to the ones you have. You don't have to change who you are, or stop taking time for yourself entirely, but you should make an effort to improve your social skills. Positive open body language will make you seem more friendly and approachable. Make eye contact. Lean forward slightly and smile. Practice active listening instead of simply waiting for your turn to talk. Pay attention to the ideas and emotions that others communicate with you. Acknowledge what they have to say without interrupting. Find common ground when striking up a conversation. Keep a list of icebreakers in your head to help with small talk. Instead of the usual superficial chatter, can you have a conversation about something more in-depth? Do you enjoy any local restaurants? Ask questions, especially when the conversation seems to be dying down. Stay on track about something the other person has shown an interest in. You can ask them about what they enjoy, what they think about a certain topic, what they did recently, but always respect others' personal space. You could be stunning on the outside, but if these conversation skills don't come easily to you, you'll struggle to achieve progress in your personal and professional relationships. Number 3. Eliminate all self-doubt. A part of being confident is being rid of self-doubt. This doesn't mean that you shouldn't reflect on your decisions or admit your mistakes. It means that you shed the weight of worrying about whether you're good enough. Removing doubt means being fully aware that you are smart, capable and attractive enough. Trust your judgment. Draw from your experiences and knowledge. Take decisive actions. Stand up for what needs to be done and then follow through with it. These skills will foster your leadership abilities, which is absolutely an attractive trait. Number 4. Actively look for social gatherings. If you're more of an introvert, this one might seem even more difficult than the previous point. However, if you actively avoid people, they'll notice. You risk appearing disinterested in others, rude and overall unappealing. So go out and practice those social skills. Again, don't drain yourself too much by going to parties every week, joining a new adventures club, and beginning a new relationship all at once. Strike a balance in your life between your precious alone time and the time you give to others. The key to this one is actively seeking. Don't settle for just casual interactions at the familiar places. Look for opportunities and events to attend. Ask others out for coffee or if they would like some company. As with anything in life, the more you practice, the better you will be. Number 5. Work on self-control. Social situations can be stressful. When your fight or flight response kicks in, try your best to remain calm. Even if your heart is racing or you want to panic, you can take a slow, deep breath and continue. This emotional intelligence and balance will take practice, but if you can master composure, others will respect and admire you. You can talk about your anxieties and concerns with certain people in your life, but you shouldn't emotionally dump on everyone or let your anger show. The ability to make decisions with clarity is an admirable one, and others will find you more attractive for being able to keep it together under pressure. Number 6. Live life on your own terms. Clearly, don't completely forget about other people. However, you are the star of your life. Chase your dreams. Find your purpose and be yourself. What works for other people won't necessarily work for you. So stop wanting to transfer yourself into the Instagram feeds and Facebook posts you see online. If you worry about what others think about you, you'll waste your time chasing the approval of others, and end up feeling empty inside. Instead, focus on the things in your life that bring you happiness. Discover who you are, and what you love to do. That passion and sense of purpose will attract others to you. Number 7. Don't take yourself so seriously. Some light humor is always appreciated, especially during an awkward situation, and it shows that you're not boring. If you take life too seriously, you're setting yourself up for disappointment when things don't go as planned. Caution can help keep you out of trouble, but it might also make you seem like someone full of negativity, who's never willing to live life on the edge. Take a light-hearted approach to things and you might just make someone laugh. There is a balance between humor and dismissiveness. Find the balance and be courteous. One thing you can do to increase the levity of your conversations is to think about funny stories you can tell. People are naturally captivated by storytelling, and if you can prepare some honest hilarity, everyone will appreciate you. Number 8. Be reliable. If you always flake out on plans, change your mind last minute, or don't follow through with your word, people will see you as unreliable. They'll stop coming to you for important things in their lives, and they'll stop sharing their life with yours. If you struggle with being dependable, try practicing consistency in other areas of your life. Consistency is about following through regularly. Develop routines and healthy habits. Accomplish your goals. Find success by holding yourself accountable. Then others will hold you accountable as well. People will be more attracted to you if they know they can rely on you. Dependability is an essential quality in a good friend or partner, so you have to step up if you want to form long-term relationships in your life. Number 9. Be authentic. If you only pretend to be interested in what other people have to say, they'll notice. Just be honest and genuine. Insincerity is a huge turn-off that will drive others away. Don't give fake compliments, try to sell yourself or act overly confident. Be the most authentic version of yourself. You don't have to try to impress others. The real you is impressive. This honesty you show yourself will shine outwards, and others will feel more attracted to you. Don't stress over what other people think either, it's what you think about yourself that matters the most.